Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to repost on Instagram. So you just wanted to find any post on Instagram that you wish to repost to your profile. Say this night one, for example, is pretty cool. And now to repost, as you can see, we have a repost button. It's like a little paper plain icon on the right. Press on it and then you can either repost it to your story, for example, or just share it to someone in your private messages. You can also post it to WhatsApp. And also if you click on three dots on top, you can also save it. But if you wish to repost, you just do it like this. And if you wish to repost it to your profile, once again, you press on the two arrows. It's going to be like almost on the center, to the right from the private messages, on the right from the comments. You just press on like this. And now the post is successfully on your profile. You can see there is our post. So enjoy guys, very easy to do this. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.